Fireworks.
Look, we're here on 4th of July. Trying to get fireworks. Well, I'm trying to get fireworks.
I see.
Right
I see
there.
it down there.
See the magical fireworks. My old house, at my grandma's house, you saw a lot of fireworks, and it was from the living room. And they're doing it in my backyard too, but it'd be so much better if I could zoom in. You guys could see a hand first, and you won't have to see in my ugly neighborhood.
Oh, I see you over there.
Where? Oh, well, you got some. Yeah. Where are you mother effers coming from?
Oh no.
Ah,
I want them.
so confused. Where are they coming from?
They'll stay.
Kids be like, ah!
I can't even see you.
Ryder,
Oh.
the camera. Wait.
I can't even.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera, Ryder.
Oh.
And stop standing on there. Look at the camera. Ryder. Look at the camera and say, ah! See, kids be like, ah! Ah, shit. Now let me turn off the light. So you can see better.
Huh.
And me and my little brother are doing a ladder match. He's got a hanger as a ladder match. I do too, but I got it better. You guys see it? It's gonna be a crappy video probably. Not even probably, I know it's gonna be a crappy video. Anyway. I'll come back to you guys if I see any more fireworks. Like, move you, big kid. Stop standing on there. Oh! Move, Ryder! Ryder, move your head! I got more input. Oh my gosh, it's so majestical.
What them coming from?
This ain't gonna be a crappy video. I'm about to end this video. Good thing I did it. Oh my gosh. That's awesome.
What?
Freaking awesome. I can make a freaking like postcard. All of this stuff.
We should send that to Krista.
Yeah, I've tried to, rather.
Really?
Okay, now I'm gonna leave you guys there while I search for more fireworks. So just in case I miss them, you guys won't miss them. And I'll see them when I post the video. Oh. I'm like, what are you doing? Oh guys, did you see it? Because no.
Where? Where's it?
No, I thought I saw it. I thought I saw it on my camera, but no.
Fireworks. Can I see new fireworks? Fireworks. Oh my. Did I see them?
Like, what's that?
Oh,
I see them.
that's a lot of fireworks.
They're too late. They're always. Oh!
No noise fireworks.
Yeah, they ain't they so majestical.
So show it out. Show it out, girls. Everybody looking at. What? 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 We can't even see anything.
I got freaking 2 eyes. You guys on the camera and my eyes. 'Cause I'm looking at front. I'm looking right here.
I will send it
'Cause
to
I-
my girlfriend.
You got no girl.
It's Rihanna. You remember her?
Yeah.
The boy.
Well, wasn't it my best friend that you like?
What girl?
And it's not a boy.
I got 2 girlfriends, so let me have 2.
Oh, he's a player. He got 2 girlfriends. Oh yeah, and I still haven't let this go. Your heart Espinosa, I'm coming after you.
I'm gonna have 2.
Bye. Like this video, subscribe. I'll see you guys if I find it. No, I'm gonna end this video. Anyway, like this video, subscribe, comment. I'm coming after you, Yahar Espinosa. I noticed that name. Anyway, bye. Bye, America.
This is a mess.
F yeah.
What?
We back with fireworks.
What?
Because I remember the last time, but they're making more fireworks. So
Hey.
we got to.
Finally. This is America.
Anyway, never mind. I have to forget you guys. Bye.
Yeah,
I'm back, guys, and there's more fireworks in the front. Well, not even more,
Oh,
just a
look
little
how
bit.
pretty.
Me and Ryder saw
That
like
was the
big
best
ones.
part about living on the Grand Concourse. Fireworks.
Me and Ryder saw more because we saw red,
Oh, how
green.
beautiful. Ah, look, I see it. Pink, green.
So majestical.
Oh, it's so pretty. I don't want you so close to the window like that. Come on the bed. You could come on the bed.
Hey! Hey!
Like this.
I like it.
And then you just so you can see that. Oh, look how nice.
I hope it has blues.
Let's see.
And when I said forget you guys in the video, I meant the fireworks. Forget you guys. Anyway, bye. I'm not doing any more because if I do any more, I won't be able to post this video on YouTube because my iPad's stupid. Anyway, bye. Like this video, subscribe, leave a comment. Coming after you, your hard Espinosa.
house too.
I'm coming after you, your hard Espinosa.
That
That looks like a moonfly.
was so pretty, right?
We got more. No!
Stop.
I
It's
took too
stop.
much time. Oh, God, I guess you guys wanted really a lot.
It's just.
It's hot in your room, buddy.
I know.
You need to put that fan on. Right. Oh, whoa, whoa, you saw that?
Where?
Over here on this side. Check out that side. Over there, over there. Learn your directions, Ryder. You see it? You're not looking there. You're not looking. You're looking over there now. You have to learn your sense of directions. Mommy's pointing. See, look how pretty. You saw that?
Huh? What?
Let me see something over here and over there. Over
Okay,
there.
well, the one over there was beautiful.
Where? Right here?
No, not the one in front of us. The one in front of us we could see so much, but there was one over here on this side. And I'm pointing that way and you don't look. You don't know your sense of direction.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Never mind. Turn the stuff off now. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's where is it? I got that firework. I'm stopping now.